Today, we will discuss Anaconda, PyCharm, and Jupyter. Every one of three platforms is extensible: PyCharm through plugins, Jupyter through extensions, and Anaconda through its Conda package management. This enables users to add new features and alter their surroundings. Now let's examine the main features of these three platforms. Anaconda is a Python and R distribution that makes deployment and package management easier. Numerous packages that are often used in data science, machine learning, and scientific computing are pre-installed on it. In essence, it's a simple method of obtaining an extensive collection of tools and libraries. PyCharm, an effective integrated development environment or IDE made especially for Python development, is called PyCharm. It offers a full set of tools for Python code writing, debugging, and testing to offer a stable and effective environment for Python application development. Jupyter, you can create and share documents with live code, equations, and visualizations and narrative text using web-based interactive computing environment known as Jupyter Notebook. It is extensively utilized in scientific computing, data analysis, and education. All in all, the data science community makes extensive use of each of them. Jupyter is perfect for interactive data analysis. PyCharm makes data science development more rapid, and Anaconda offers necessary data science libraries.